Hello. In this video, I will be explaining how to do a journalizing installment notes problem that you might have to do in your Accounting 2 class. Let's get started. On the first day of the fiscal year, a company issues $52,000, 11% 5-year installment notes that have annual payments of $14,070. The first note payment consists of $5,720 of interest and $8,350 of principal repayment. So how do we journalize the entry to record the issuance of the installment notes? First, we need to put the date, which for us can just be January 1st. Then we need to put the two accounts being affected, which are the cash account and the notes payable account. The cash account goes first because it is an asset account that is increasing due to the transaction. The notes payable account goes second because it is a liability account that is increasing due to the transaction. The balance of both accounts is $52,000, as that is the price the company issued the notes at. Now, how do we journalize the first annual note payment? First, put the date, which again would be January 1st, as these are annual payments. Then put the three accounts being affected, which are the interest expense account, the notes payable account, and the cash account. The interest expense account goes first and the notes payable account goes second, as they are both liability accounts that are decreasing and are therefore being debited. The cash account goes third because it is an asset account that is decreasing due to the transaction and is therefore being credited. We have already been given the balances of all three accounts. The balance of the interest expense account is $8,350. The balance of the notes payable account is $5,720, and the balance of the cash account is $14,070. It is important to note that while the cash payment of $14,070 is the same every single year, the interest and principal repayment change each year. This is because the carrying amount, or book value, of the note decreases each year as principal is repaid, which decreases the interest. After the final payment, the carrying value of the note will be zero, which indicates that the note has been paid in full. And there you have it. You should now be able to journalize the installment of notes and the first payment of those notes. Thank you all for watching, and have a wonderful day.